Almighty God. We need your divine intervention.
That's the energy of all of the 2020 students. Them will sit the CXC exam. January star. Bugger people did effort and all these things because the results was made available online yesterday. More of say congratulations to all of the students them will achieve what they want to achieve, and to all the students them where the result them kind of never what them did expected. No worry, under the end of the world, you still can come out to be a star. So in this video, we are going to try and find out if the 6 is still real, if the 6 is still relevant, if the 6 is still hot. I don't know who me are talking now. Squash them and all of them artists, they will say 6. Jada Kingdom finally responded to Chiki Grainz. People, that one are hot, you don't want to miss it, because between Chiki Grainz, Skilli Beng and Jada Kingdom, one little something going right there, so you know, which we definitely are going to explain later in the review. But for now, go and check out Chiki Grainz, one them, you know, and this song is produced by Bad Citizen. Listen.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
The 6 is still real. FVD says artists are still trending despite perceived fall off. At the beginning of 2019, members of dancehall group The 6 were heralded as the next big thing in dancehall. The Montego Bay-based entourage, which includes the likes of Chronicler, Daddy One, and Squash, made such a huge impact on the local music scene that they dominated the airwaves and caused much of the chatter on the local music circuit last year. The buzz around them was so heavy that the group was scheduled to close out Dancehall Night at Reggae Sumfest 2019. That did not materialize, but the group continued its reign on the local entertainment scene, closing out the year among the hottest dancehall acts. However, with far less physical activity coming out of the music camp so far this year, some believe the 6 glory days may be behind them. But artist manager FVD is adamant that with the group having dominated much of the dancehall scene 2018, it is next to impossible for the 6 to quote-unquote fall off track. Me don't know why people are say them not hear from the 6. Because the man them still a drop a whole portion of song. Although nothing not really go on in a music right now. Between Daddy One, Chronicler, and Squash alone, the 6 still a lead. The 3 of them drop 3 videos one time, and the 3 of them trending. So the 6 is still real. And a joke thing the artists them depend. FVD went further by saying the artists them can't fall off no time. If you look on the trending charts on YouTube right now, the man them have more songs in the top 20 than any other artist of Jamaica. Squash have 2 number 1 songs. Chronicler have him hits them, and Daddy One are doing thing. And them man they are run YouTube right now. So nothing no drop, nothing no stop. The 6 is still real, and that's what FVD said. Now, me nah go just stick with FVD say and not check for myself. So me decide to go over the YouTube trending chart, and me I go see everything with up on the chart we associated with 6. Meaning, if it produced by 6, me I go talk about it. If a 6 them sing it, we are going to talk about it. So now, the first song we see at number 40, a Gold God, Scammer Boy, and it depend Squash new rhythm when name Symbolic Rhythm. That not bad. 34, Zai Zai, Mood Swing, same Symbolic Rhythm. 23, a Squash, Change a Climate. At 19 is Daddy One featuring Loyal Goon, Chips and Bricks. 18, Bobby 6, Antisocial, and that song is on Squash, Symbolic Rhythm. 14 is Daddy One, Double Up. 11, is Chronicler, Self-Protection. Number 9 is not from the artist, is not associated with 6, but the rhythm is, and it's Jaffras, Wild Side, and that's on the symbolic rhythm. Squash symbolic rhythm, I go and good enough. Anyway, number 6 is Squash Bandit, symbolic rhythm again. Number 4, Chronicler featuring Daddy One, Style Shot, symbolic rhythm. And number 2 spot is Vibes Cartel featuring Squash Moonwalk, and that song is also on the symbolic rhythm. So people, with all this information we're going to know about the 6, in your opinion, is the 6 still real? The 6 fall off, or you feel say the artists them do them things same way? No, you know, they are not necessarily on the number 1 trending spot right now, but recently Squash was trending number 1. Squash and Vibes Cartel, a matter of fact, with Moonwalk. And I think the Chronicler and Daddy One did this somewhere near 3 or number 2 or something like so. I'm not sure, but we are talking about for today. So people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Is the 6 still real? Make we move on.
One them me know, call me no one, call them me know the night right, but a man in my go. You shoulda listen when the lads say to you, you a cloud up into the mag, you forgot.
Now tensions are raised high between Chiki Grainz and Jada Kingdom. And I kind of have understanding where the tension them are forward from, you know. It's still not really that clear still, but Jada Kingdom associate herself sometime with the moniker Eastside Queen, is he?
AKA Banana Boss, AKA Sexy Body Sally, Eastside J.A., not from Cali. And last but never least, the unstoppable Eastside Queen.
And it look like said Chiki Grainz get upset, which anybody would have get upset because quite frankly, a Chiki Grainz first me hear I say Queen of the East from one long time still. So Chiki Grainz went on her live and she had a lot to say. She even addressed the Skilli Beng rumor. People, listen to this.
I don't know, me I say Queen of the East. I don't know. But from about 2018, 2017 I think. So where Jada Kingdom come from, say she a Queen of the East all of a sudden. Who do think me be? Or who do think she is me? I gonna make she run with my cycle. Or who do think me is to make whoever she thinks she is bury me. Who owe 10 million can't stop me from calling myself Queen of the East, because I am Queen of the East and it's one Queen of the East. Y'all need to sit down and tell look what's naked overgrown nerd Jada say let go out of my style. Hear that? One them come out of my style. That must say. What do I feel like say? I'm a style, that must say come out of my style. I don't know, a long time you had me say you come with your boy your post Queen of the East. Queen of the East where? Eastside toilet. Human toilet. Don't stop yourself. You're a copycat and you've got to create your own style. I'm not stop this your Jada Kingdom until you come out of my style. I'm gonna tell you this. I can't only get bigger and bigger. You can get bigger too. There's a chance that you can get bigger, but it's more like you're up there, so you're more for come down, try pushing me down. Learn that. Learn. Stop talking so people in your page. Me nah no X. Where X go? Eh?
Now, we want to talk about the last part there. Apparently, people tag Skilli Beng over her page or something of the sort. And she just say, yo, she don't have no ex where ex a go. Because it was rumored that she and Skilli Beng was in an entanglement. But people, I don't really know a lot about that part there. I don't know. But after Jada Kingdom, I don't know who sent her the live, or she was on the live or what. But less than 3, Jada Kingdom went on her Instagram and did this freestyle, which she later deleted. But you don't know how Chaddy got to work already. Anything we go on the internet, me have it on my computer.
So me do in a car and so me do a little freestyle. And I know how long. Me dismissed it a while ago. Is they are bored? Hi, I'm Tantan, first born. When a bitch done with me, ears and person. Bad right through. Me not for fuck gun, man. I want east side queen, I'm a done talk. If you don't want war, better you go on. Came above my back like sports John. And like a slut, if you stop tell lie about what. Cause bitch, you know what your discharge. That's why your pussy smelly. Make a wrong move and a lot of bullet parking on your belly. Ay, ay, them ain't know a bull. Bay got the most AK. State a time and a date. Me think you're bad, but why you afraid? Bitch, every dollar we make I would be for sup. Plus a little bit of money, so shut the fuck up. And you know, say I do that. Them acts twinkle like you that. I laugh and I really bounce to the ruga with the.
So people, within that couple hours of back and forth on the internet, it looked like say them found peace and kind of squash out the war, because Chiki Grainz went to her Instagram story and posted a pic of Jada Kingdom with the caption "Big up," and she even at Jada Kingdom. Big up at Jada Kingdom, East Side Queen. Queen of the East said that. Hashtag Grainz Nation. Hashtag East Side. Now, Jada Kingdom then took it to her Instagram story and post a pic of Chiki Grainz with the caption, "Big up the Queen of the East." East Side Queen said that at Chiki Grainz. At the end of the day, my love for see unity. I'm glad say the two artists them can just find peace, you know. I mean, there can be two Queen of the East, you know, because one of them actually named Queen of the East and the other one named East Side Queen. Is it? I just have to say that. Anyway, big up Jada Kingdom and big up Chiki Grainz. And you can definitely look out for Chiki Grainz' new video for the song entitled "Warn Them You Know." That are the song when me a play continuously from the review start till now. So look out for that video, the official video for that song. Alright, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.